Okay, so in this video, we're not really going to write any code. I just want to give information on how to go about the final project that we're working on. So I need you to install this software called Figma. So I need you to download this. Go to your Google search and search for Figma download. Figma download. So let's wait for it to load. And then Figma download. So if you scroll down where you have desktop app, so you come for Windows. That is if you're using a Windows computer. If it's a desktop, if it is a Mac computer you're using, you come for this, and then you click on whichever version you're using and it will start downloading. So once you finish downloading, all you need to do is to follow the instruction and install it. Once you're done installing, it will ask you to log in, to create an account or log in. So since you don't have an account with them, you have to create an account. So I already have an account with them and I'm logged in. So on my computer, this is the Figma software here. That's the software, I'm loading it. So what this software is, what we're going to be using this software for is, I'm going to be using it to send you designs, and then you look at those designs from your computer and work on the designs. That's what the software will be used for. And so it's loading. Let's wait a little bit while it loads. Boom, boom, boom. So this is the Figma file, the Figma software. So all of these are designs that I've worked on before. I did on my own. So this is the UI UX design software. So we have these projects. I will go through them and I will send you the one that you're going to work on. So all of these are kind of loading. The internet is quite slow. So just finish downloading and then we can continue from there. Thank you very much. See you in the next live session.